Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. I have one eating cereal. Say good morning. She is crazy. You're crazy. And I have my coffee. I did add a little bit of creamer just because I'm in the mood for some creamer, and I'm trying. I usually drink my coffee black, you guys know that, and I've gotten really used to it, but today I just wanted a different taste, so I added a little bit less creamer this time, because the last time I tried to put the creamer that I used to love in it, it didn't taste so good. So I'm gonna try and enjoy this coffee right now. Today, I don't think we are going to be doing anything. Some of hubby's friends have left back to Texas for the holiday, and so he's got the car today, which is fine because I wasn't planning on doing anything. The girls are watching Vampirina. So yeah, it's gonna be just one of those random boring days, you guys.